Have you ever felt your mind drift, even when you desperately needed to concentrate? It's like your thoughts are a runaway train, speeding off in every direction but the one you intended. This isn't just a fleeting annoyance, it's a universal human experience. We often blame a lack of willpower or simply a busy world. But what if true focus isn't just about trying harder? What if it stems from understanding a profound internal battle happening within your own brain? Your brain is an incredible organ, capable of astonishing feats, yet its power, particularly its attention, is not limitless. It operates with a finite capacity, a precious resource that must be carefully managed. Think of your attention as a powerful spotlight. It can illuminate one thing brilliantly, bringing it into sharp, clear focus. But it cannot illuminate everything at once. Other things remain in shadow. Concentration, then, is the art of directing this spotlight. It's the deliberate choice of what to illuminate, and equally important, what to consciously ignore. It's about mastering where your mental energy flows. At the heart of this control lies a specific region of your brain, the prefrontal cortex, or PFC. This is your brain's command center, the executive director responsible for controlling that spotlight. But the PFC doesn't operate unopposed. It has a powerful, often mischievous adversary, the default mode network, or DMN. This network is constantly vying for your brain's attention. The DMN is your brain's idle mode. It activates when you're daydreaming, reflecting, planning for the future, or simply letting your mind wander. It's the background hum of your consciousness. This network has a dual nature. It's absolutely essential for creativity, self-reflection, and making sense of your experiences. Yet when you need to focus, the DMN becomes the primary enemy of concentration. The DMN pulls your attention away with subtle whispers. It reminds you of that embarrassing moment from last week, or that looming deadline, or what you need to buy at the grocery store. These are its distractions. The prefrontal cortex, your PFC, is constantly working to suppress this DMN noise. It's like a conductor trying to keep an orchestra in tune while some instruments insist on playing their own melodies. The key to true concentration isn't about eliminating distractions entirely, which is often impossible. Instead, it's about strengthening your PFC and learning to effectively manage the DMN's influence. So, how do we strengthen this vital focus muscle? There are practical techniques you can integrate into your daily life starting today. First, embrace mindfulness. This isn't about emptying your mind, but about training your awareness. Notice when your mind wanders, gently acknowledge it, and then guide your attention back to the task at hand. This repetitive act builds your focus muscle. Second, try chunking. Large, overwhelming tasks can trigger the DMN into overdrive, seeking escape. Break these tasks into smaller, manageable pieces. This reduces cognitive load and makes focus feel less daunting. Third, optimize your environment. Minimize external distractions as much as possible. Turn off notifications, find a quiet space, and designate a specific workspace for focused tasks. Your surroundings profoundly impact your internal state. Finally, understand that concentration is a skill, not an innate talent. Like any muscle, it strengthens with consistent practice. The more you intentionally direct your attention, the better you become at it. Concentration is not just for students or academics. It is a foundational pillar for success across every area of life. It impacts your relationships, fuels your creativity, and underpins your overall well-being. Conversely, poor concentration leads to a cascade of negative consequences. It results in mistakes, causes missed opportunities, and significantly increases your stress levels. The inability to focus can feel like a constant uphill battle. Imagine the intense focus of a surgeon during a delicate operation, or a writer crafting a pivotal scene, or a parent fully present with their child. This is concentration as a superpower, enabling extraordinary outcomes. The value of focused attention in our increasingly fragmented world cannot be overstated. It allows you to deeply engage, to truly learn, and to perform at your highest potential. Here's a surprising truth. Your ability to concentrate is deeply intertwined with your general health. It's not just a mental exercise, it's a holistic reflection of your well-being. Crucial health factors like sleep, nutrition, and exercise play significant, often underestimated roles in your brain's ability to focus. They are not separate concerns, but integral components. Consider the impact of sleep deprivation. A lack of adequate sleep cripples your prefrontal cortex, making it incredibly difficult to suppress the DMN and maintain focus. Your command center is running on empty. Similarly, chronic stress and anxiety drain your cognitive resources. They hijack your attention, constantly pulling it towards perceived threats or worries, leaving little energy for sustained concentration. The good news is this connection empowers you. By prioritizing your physical and mental health, you are directly improving your capacity for concentration. It's a powerful feedback loop. Always remember the internal battle happening within your mind. Your prefrontal cortex is constantly striving to direct your attention, while the default mode network seeks to wander. But you have the power to influence this battle. You possess the ability to choose where your mental spotlight shines. This choice is a profound act of self-mastery. In a world overflowing with distractions, the ability to focus is more than just a skill. It's a valuable superpower. It allows you to cut through the noise and achieve what truly matters. Now that you understand the mechanics of focus and the practical steps to enhance it, I encourage you to utilize this newfound knowledge. Experiment with the techniques, observe your own mind, and commit to strengthening your focus. Focus, it's your superpower, now go use it.